Imagine this. You open ChatGPT and type, "Write me an amazing YouTube script about AI tools," and it gives you a perfectly structured, completely lifeless wall of text. It's not that AI is dumb, it's that your prompt sucks. In this video, I'll show you why, and I'll give you one prompt template you can steal that will upgrade almost everything you do with AI. Stick around to the end, copy it, and use it today. Hey, it's Max from Tech&Mind. We take AI buzzwords and turn them into real-life tools. If you're tired of copy-pasting magic prompts from random Twitter threads and getting mid-results, this video is for you. If your AI answers feel generic, boring, or like everyone else's, the problem isn't the model, it's the way you talk to it. Let me prove it. Let's start with a brutal truth. Most people don't really use AI. They throw half-baked orders at it and hope for a miracle. They treat it like a vending machine. Throw in a coin, expect a perfect Snickers. It doesn't work like that. Let's say you want a YouTube script about AI tools for students. Most people type this. Write a 10-minute YouTube script about AI tools for students. Result? Technically fine. Zero personality. Now watch what happens if we add just a tiny bit. Write a 10-minute YouTube script about 3 AI tools for busy college students. Make it fast-paced, practical, with concrete examples they can try today. Same model, same topic, way more useful, and that's without any advanced prompt engineering. Let's level this up. Here's the simple rule. Don't throw one vague command at AI. Have a short conversation. Plus use a simple formula. Step 1. Talk to it like a coworker. I want to make a video about AI tools for students. Ask me 3 questions so you understand my audience and my goal before you write anything. Answer those questions. It takes 30-60 seconds. Step 2. Use this formula in your actual prompt. Task plus context plus role plus format plus tone. Super simple. One quick example. Task. Write a 10-minute YouTube script with a strong hook, 3 sections, and a call to action. Context. My audience is busy college students in the US. They feel overwhelmed and short on time. A good script feels practical and makes them try at least one tool today. Role. You are an experienced YouTube scriptwriter for educational channels. Format. Use headings. Hook, intro, section 1, section 2, section 3, CTA. Use bullet points, not giant paragraphs. Tone. Sound friendly, confident, a bit playful. No corporate jargon, no over-the-top hype. Short sentences. Is a tiny version of something called a negative prompt. You're telling AI what to avoid, not only what to do. This alone often cleans up a huge amount of garbage. That's it. You just did more prompt engineering in one message than most people do in a month. Now, as promised, here's the golden prompt. You can paste this at the start of any chat with ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, whatever you use. Feel free to pause and screenshot. Golden prompt, short version. You are a role, I'm who you are, and I want goal for audience. Before you answer, ask me 3 quick questions so you understand my situation and what a great result looks like. Then give me the answer in format with a tone and avoid things I don't want. Jargon, cliches, made-up data, etc. Paste this, answer the questions, and suddenly AI stops guessing and starts co-creating with you. Here's what I want you to do. Take one real task you use AI for. Maybe today, maybe every day. Use this golden prompt instead of your usual one-liner. Compare the answers. If you feel the difference, hit like, subscribe to Tech&Mind, and send this video to that one friend who still has a folder on their desktop called Magic Prompts 2023. We all know someone like that. I'm Max. This is Tech&Mind. Thanks for watching, and remember, better prompts aren't about magic. They're about better conversations with AI.